Hi and welcome back to Rusty Crusty Classics. Today's adventure is a trip to Worcester. Again, it's a journey to go and find an engine for Charlie's Nova, which we know is needing an engine. You've seen its channel. His engine is knackered. So we're going to go look at another Alfa Romeo Boxer engine. Now this one is a little bit special. Hopefully it's in good condition. I know it's in parts. Other than that, we don't know much. But I do know this one is a little bit spicy.
Here I met a very nice chap called James, who was selling the engine. And of course, we went straight to look at what was for sale. Right. This is looking like a bit of Alfa engine.
Yeah, absolutely.
Some bits and bobs. A few spark plugs there.
Yeah.
Is that enough? I think it only takes 4, doesn't it?
I think they had fun and games with the turbo.
Ah, right. And there's all different types, are they? They're trying to get the right spark plugs to go.
Yeah. It's a very clever part of it.
Yeah, it's a bit
Very
of...
clever. God knows how much it cost them to have that made back in the day.
That's where your dump valve's going to go, isn't it?
I surmise so, yes.
Probably. Oh, I've got one of these. For my Rover V8. There's a pair of them.
Yeah?
Yeah. I've got a Westfield kit car with
That's
a V8 in it.
interesting.
And I haven't
Because
I
they
haven't put
raced a
the
Rover
turbos on it.
immediately after this. And
yeah.
the Rover didn't get a garage.
Right.
So the Alfa got the garage, the last garage, and so it survived. And the Rover was parked next to it and just rotted away.
Died. Oh, that's a shame, isn't it?
Racing V8.
Yep.
So, racing clutch.
All right.
All there.
Blimey, that's probably a bit heavy.
Yep. Then an array of bits here. Pistons there.
Right, let's have a look at
Box
these.
in there.
Let's have a look at these pistons. Oh, look at these.
Have a look as we go through and I'll just keep dragging bits in.
Let's see what this is.
And one block.
Right. Right. So, do you know what heads were on this? Do you know if it was the hydraulic tappets or if it was solid tappet heads?
I think it's got the different. I'll drag them out.
Right, that's kind of the important bit, the block. Has it rusted away and died? No, there's no lip in there at all, is there?
To be honest, it's been a long time since I've looked at this because I've been busy putting engine and gearbox in that one.
Oh, aye. Oh, that's a nice one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, it is now it's running with oil pressure.
Oh, it didn't have oil pressure, did it?
Yeah, it wouldn't run with oil pressure.
Doesn't like to run without oil pressure, does it? It tends
No.
to eat itself. What is that then? A Lancia what?
Monte Carlo.
Monte Carlo,
Mark
blimey.
II, yeah.
Oh, I might have to get some. I won't get any registration numbers, just a little dark picture.
It's going very nicely now.
Lancia Monte Carlo Mark II.
Oil cooler.
Oh, yeah, that's in there. Yeah, some induction bits and
That must
bobs.
be the pipe from the sump to that.
Yeah.
That's what that would have been, I reckon.
Right.
Here's the other head turbo, all that stuff.
Oh, one in the box, eh? Do you want a hand out with that?
Yeah, I think there's a two on this one. Oof, I couldn't pull ladder and injured me back.
Oh, you don't want to do that.
About a month ago and it's still not bloody right.
No, it won't be.
Yeah.
Don't forget, bend with the knees, that's what everyone says.
Yeah.
Safety first, bend with your back.
So there's the sump, head, turbo, all the rackets,
Oh, is it?
any bits and bobs.
Some more bits and bobs. Let's just feel that turbo. Oh, there's a bit of wear in that. It's a Rotomaster, same as I had on V8. Oh. Rotomaster T4 I had.
Right.
And I made the mistake of forgetting that the left-hand thread.
Right.
And I went to undo it. I was actually tightening it. I snapped the shaft. It's like, right, in the skip.
Is that it? You can't get it mended?
Couldn't get the shaft for him then. I think you can now, but because it's
Right. Good thing it's
same as a Garrett or whatever it was.
Maddening.
Yeah, there's a bit of play on that one, but not too bad. It spins. It's not axial play, it's just a little bit of radial play.
Oh yeah, I got him now. Isn't that funny? I've not spotted that before. I bloody played with that. And then
They're, yeah, you can still get bearings from, but really it's probably not the turbo to use. If it's been running methanol, it's like,
yeah.
probably,
Where's the car?
don't know. Oh, Carburetor, yeah.
So that was the manifold off it as well.
Yeah.
With the extra bits on for the water injection.
Ooh, nice.
The water tank was on the photograph, but actually went with the car.
Ah, right.
I hadn't clicked on that.
Never mind.
I've forgotten that bit. And then this is the sizzling steel crank.
Sizzly.
Sizzling, yeah, it was the guy who was doing all the racing parts back in the day.
Oh, aye. The racing man. Oh, that's all right. Let's see. I'll just get under the car. So on the pictures you said there was a touch of a bit of the old metal worm had got to one of the bearing surfaces.
Yeah, the surface is really doing, as I recall. When we were
Yeah.
going through on what to do or not to do and all that stuff.
Oh, that's a shame, isn't it? It's a special billet crank.
Yeah.
And it's got a bit of a... But if you look at it, that can hold a bit more oil there, you see.
Yeah, well, I thought otherwise it's just getting metal spray. I
Yeah.
had that done years ago and then Italian motorbike, where are you?
Yeah, they can do that. They can do that. It tends to be quite expensive and sometimes it just flakes off. But
Oh, does it?
yeah, I think submerged arc welding is preferred.
Right.
Because I've got a Jaguar V6 diesel 3 litre crankshaft because they all snap.
Yeah.
This one hasn't snapped, it's burnt a bearing, and I've been trying to get someone to... You can't grind them, they say you can't go undersize,
Right.
and you can't weld them, you can't metal spray them.
Oh, yeah.
That's all they say is you just can't. Oh, that's what you got there, Delauto, is it?
There's the colour. No, Weber.
Oh, Weber, right.
Yeah, that was the car that was on it.
Nice. Jetted for alcohol, of
Methanol
course,
was
yeah.
nice still.
I've got loads of methanol actually, I've got about 400 litres of it.
Good God.
Yeah, I make biodiesel, so
Ah, do you?
it's good for that. It's not good for drinking. Not very good at all. Don't taste right. So there's all kinds of bits and bobs,
All
isn't there?
kinds of bits
There's a
and
blow-off
bobs.
valve,
Yeah.
That goes in that hole there, I think.
Oil pump.
Oh yeah, very useful. If it's dry sumped.
And this, I imagine, sits on top of the, as an airbox.
Ah,
All fancy
I fancy that.
Yeah. And a massive external filter.
Old school. Some sort of inlet
On it.
thing.
There's all kinds of bits and
turbo.
bobs. Ah, those sort of wheels.
Well, that's...
There.
Ah, right. So that block looks good. There's no wear in it. It's got the main bearing caps, because the one I looked at had no main bearing caps.
Right.
Which was a bit of a problem, really.
Yeah.
Seeing the machine in situ and they...
Well, if you buy these things, you
necessary.
like them to be complete, don't you?
it helps. And when you go to look at something, like it's in Lydney, just down the road,
Yeah.
went to look at it, turned up there, and I looked at it and went, oh, it's not a complete engine. Something's missing and there's no main bearing caps.
And where people get off on this being dishonest, when you travel a long, long way and then they're completely dishonest,
Well,
it really pisses me off.
The crank's useful because it's a 1.7, so it's the same crank as that.
You're right.
Because that's a 1.7 crank, and that's a 1.5 bore block, but longer stroke, so it's got, yeah, it's confusing, isn't it? The 1.6 is just a confusing motor. There weren't many of them made, were there?
Well, I surmise it's 1.6. You know, I have never measured the whole thing to work out exactly what it is with that.
Right.
But from my understanding, it's 1.6.
Right.
It started off at, you see, he raced it as 1.2, then went to 1.4.
Right.
But then that article, which was the last time it was racing, it was 1.6 by then.
Okay.
So that's where I was going off with this.
Well, hopefully it is something like that.
Hopefully it is. Because that Sismi crank alters, is it the length of the stroke?
It does, yeah.
And then makes it different.
But you'd think that'd have to be a 1.6 block to be an 84mm bore and accept the stroke of that, unless they're special conrods that are shortened.
I don't really know, it looks standard to me.
Well,
as much as I know,
it has to fit together somehow.
That is for sure. Definitely not.
Right. Well, it's looking good. It's looking good. It's better than what we've got. Let's be honest about that.
And then that exhaust pipe there is the one that went all the way through the car.
Wow.
And then this is the insulation for it to keep the noise down. So
That is quite a big exhaust, isn't it?
so they go with it as well.
Ah.
Just check I haven't got anything else.
There's something that needs doing now. What is it? You said there was something like dipstick. That was it.
Dipstick hole.
Does it need one? Or
I don't know if that it does, or whether you could set it up electronically, or whether you could just measure the oil. He must have done something.
because has it been blanked off or something?
I think that is it.
We've got spare engine with dipsticks anyway, so we'll just if we have to, we'll just put another fitting in.
Or whether it wants sleeving or something. I cannot recall. That's the problem with a lot of this.
No,
It was quite a while I did it. You know. And then, like I say, one guy was after the car, but he didn't want the extra engine. And so he said, well, if I give you 1,000 for the engine, then you can sell the car to him, Because another guy was after both, you know.
Yeah.
So he made his decision, which then made me make my decision, and then he put it back down. I was pissed at him.
Yeah. Well,
As you can imagine.
I'll have it off you.
Yeah.
You know, this is what we need for the project, because the engine it's in my kitchen at the moment. It's shot.
Right.
It's got rust. Every single one of these engines has got rust in the bores, and the bores just have pinholes or pinprick, just enough to lose compression. That's it. Right, and you know it's going to be, don't you? Right at the top where number one ring sits at the top.
And if you did try and put the turbo in it, you haven't got the problem of trying to get the exhaust down the... Because to fit this with the turbo in a car, you can't get that exhaust system down the back of the bulkhead, which is why he went through the car with it.
This is hanging out at the bottom, so it's just hanging out in fresh air. He'll be happy.
Yeah.
As long as it doesn't hit the ground. That's the other option. The other problem we might have. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking like what we need. And it's going to, the interest it'll generate on the channel is just going to be...
Yeah.
Because everyone says, oh, you've got to keep it original, you've got to put the boxer engine back in, you've got to rebuild it. It's like, yeah, we know, but it's knackered.
You could also make it something very, very special.
So it's like, make it ultra spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
also it means this engine then stays together.
it will, yeah.
Rather than this all, because this is my next option on this, is just to sell it into
Sell the bits, but then...
But that seems a shame.
It's a real shame, because those heads go with the turbo and that engine.
Yeah,
The
and
cams
all
are
that
probably
stuff.
specially ground
Yeah.
for a turbo engine. You'll find that. Yeah.
And you know, you look at the turbo and the pipes and all
Yep.
that, just to get that little setup there. Well, if you had somebody make that, set that up for you, there's 700 quid there.
Yeah.
Isn't
If
there?
I
No
made
trouble
that,
at
that'd
all.
take me a week. You
Yeah,
know?
and
And
it's
I've-
beautifully made.
Yep. Yeah. Right.
You know, and things like this.
No,
Nobody
no.
made that in an hour, did they?
No, my aluminium welding skills are nothing like that.
So what do you think that is?
That is some kind of dump valve. Well,
Oh, you think that's
that's,
another
yeah,
dump
I
valve?
think it somehow it
Oh yeah, there's
you
like
put
a
vacuum
piston
to
bit
it,
there,
and the piston
yeah.
pops out, and it just lets it all out, so it doesn't destroy. So I see someone's used JB Weld there. That's good.
Oh yeah,
Nice bit-
that's what that is.
Nice bit of
isn't
JB
it?
Weld. Quality stuff, JB Weld. Use it for everything.
Yeah.
Right.
And so that fit straight on the car, didn't it?
So have you had any offers yet? Anyone?
Yeah, I've had two stupid ones which I've
Yep.
just turned down because, like I say, you know, you start sell the head separately.
Yeah.
When it's 150, 150, 200, you just go on and on, don't you?
So how much can I offer you to make it worthwhile? Take it right now. If I said 5,
Oh no.
5,000, I meant. No, I'm joking.
I'll accept 650,
650.
but I'm not coming down any further than that. Because, like
Right.
we say, yeah, it's all in it here. And
It is what it is. Well, I'm going to make a phone call to my mate
yeah,
and see if he can authorise anything, and then we'll see what we can do.
okay.
Finally got through on the landline. Couldn't do video call. I've been authorised to go as high as 600. Would that be all right today?
No.
No. Right. 650. You got a deal. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'll get it out of your hair. So, we seem to have what looks like a really interesting engine, and with some racing history. There may be a big name linked to this. We'll find out. But what we need to do first is get it back to the workshop, get it in parts, even smaller parts, and see what we've really got. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, all those good things.